To create a macOS Ventura virtual machine on a Windows PC, you will need the macOS Ventura ISO file, which contains a complete copy of the macOS Ventura installer. If you need a professional virtualization product with advanced features and support for a wide range of operating systems and virtual machines, go with VMware Workstation. However, if you just need a basic virtualization product to run macOS Ventura on your Windows PC and don't want to pay for a license, VMware Player is a better choice. During the installation, ensure to select Install Windows Hypervisor Platform automatically and enable Enhanced Keyboard Driver and add VMware Workstation Console tools into the system path, if available. Then you must restart your PC. The third step to install macOS Ventura on VMware is to install the Auto Unlocker tool for macOS virtual machines. It can bypass the restrictions preventing macOS virtual machines from running on non-Apple hardware. First is to download and install Python. Right-click on the WinInstalled CMD file and select Run as Administrator. After the unlocker is installed, you can launch VMware to create the macOS Ventura virtual machine. Click Create a new virtual machine. Select I will install the operating system later and tap Next. Choose Apple Mac OS X as the guest operating system and select Mac OS 13, then click Next. Enter a name for the virtual machine and select a location to save it. Specify the maximum disk size as 80 GB or above. Choose Store Virtual Disk as a single file and click Next. Click Customize Hardware. Select memory from the left side and set the memory to 4 GB and above. If your PC has 16 GB of RAM, consider allocating 8 GB to the virtual machine. Click Processors and set the number of cores per processor to 2 or higher cores depending on the resources of your system. If your PC has 8 cores, you can allocate 4 cores to the virtual machine for better performance. Choose New CD DVD SATA and click on Use ISO image file. Browse and select the macOS Ventura ISO file you downloaded earlier and click Close. Click Finish, then exit VMware Workstation or Player. After configuring the virtual machine settings, you need to edit the macOS Ventura virtual machine settings to make it compatible with VMware. Navigate to the directory where you saved the virtual machine. Right-click macOS 13 Ventura VMX or the macOS 13 Ventura file with the type VMware Virtual Machine Configuration. Click Open With and select Notepad.
But I got other demons I need face to face. You left me with a heavy heart. I'm cold.
Locate the code Ethernet 0.virtualdev =E1000E and replace E1000E with VMXNet 3 to fix the internet settings.
Never had that much trust.
Scroll down to the bottom of the text and add the following code. Click File, then save and close the window. Open VMware Workstation or Player. Select your macOS 13 virtual machine and click Play Virtual Machine. Select a language you'd like to use when running macOS Ventura. In macOS Recovery, choose Disk Utility and click Continue. Select your virtual machine hard drive, labeled similar to VMware Virtual SATA hard drive media from the left, and click Erase. Name the drive, set its format to APFS and scheme to Guide Partition Map. Select Install macOS Ventura and click Continue. Click Continue to start the macOS Ventura installation. Select the formatted virtual machine disk and click Continue. Wait while the setup wizard copies system files to your disk. Follow the prompts on the screen to install macOS Ventura on VMware and complete the installation process. Congratulations! You have installed macOS Ventura on your Windows PC now. The last step is to install VMware tools to fix graphics issues and gain additional functionalities like full-screen support and actions between the host operating system and macOS Ventura, such as dragging and dropping, copying and pasting, time synchronization, mouse integration, etc. The VMware tools are also helpful for optimizing the performance of your macOS Ventura virtual machine. Right-click your virtual machine in VMware. Click the Settings menu item. Select CD/DVD item in the left UI. On the right UI, select and mount the Darwin.ISO. Now, the VMware Tools installation is started in your Mac OS X virtual machine.